Hi guys, welcome to the review session of ser and adjectives with Mr. Danel. Basically what you're going to be learning or reviewing in this section is how to describe people, conjugating ser correctly and changing the adjective correctly, masculine, feminine, singular, plural, which is why we have the objective. Students will be able to describir a las personas cambiando el verbo ser y los adjetivos correctamente. So here's our verb ser, and if you remember, depending on who we're talking about, we've got to change the verb. So we don't say yo ser. Doesn't make sense, right? We say yo soy. Before we move on, I would suggest pausing the video and seeing if you could fill out the rest of the chart on your own. Tú eres. Él es. Ella es. Usted es. Nosotros somos. Or nosotras somos if you're all girls. Vosotras sois if you're all girls, or vosotros sois if I'm talking to all boys. Ellos son, ellas son, or ustedes son. That's the verb ser. You should know it. If you don't, there are plenty of resources on the internet, or you come see me for extra help. I'd be glad to catch you up and bring you to speed. If you remember adjectives, if they end in an O, very easily, they have 4 forms. If it's a boy, it ends in an O. If it's a girl, it ends in an A. If it's a whole bunch of boys, or a mixture, it ends in OS. And remember, I could have 1 million girls, and if I have one boy, automatically makes the adjective masculine. But if they're all girls, then it ends in ES. And if the adjectives don't end in an O, there's no masculine and feminine, only singular and plural. And so, if it ends in a E, then we just add an S to make it plural. If it ends in a consonant such as L, R, or N, we add ES. And that's pretty much what you need to know to do the exercises that you'll be doing in class. So the idea is that in class, you're going to do some exercises. The following class, we'll talk about the verb tener, and then you're going to put it all together, describing people and using the verb tener to see what kind of relatives you have, such as a tall mom, or a short father, or a stupid brother. Okay, so I hope this was informative. I'll try to make it more interesting in the future. Good luck.